Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study head anatomy. Begin by actively engaging with the material. Utilize anatomical models to visualize complex three-dimensional structures, which helps immensely with spatial understanding. Supplement this by labeling diagrams and drawing structures yourself. This active recall method significantly reinforces your memory. Remember to study in short, focused sessions to maximize retention and prevent burnout. To enhance your learning, incorporate effective study techniques. Flashcards are excellent for rapid recall of anatomical terms and definitions, making review efficient. Consider joining study groups. Discussing complex concepts with peers and quizzing each other can clarify difficult areas and solidify your knowledge. Additionally, integrate clinical correlations to understand the practical applications of head anatomy, making the information more relevant and memorable. Leverage a variety of resources to deepen your understanding. Access detailed anatomy atlases, both physical and online, for comprehensive visual guides. Educational videos and three-dimensional animations offer dynamic views of structures, which can be incredibly helpful for visualizing movement and relationships. For an interactive experience, consider using augmented reality apps that allow you to explore anatomy in a new, engaging way. For long-term retention, consistent review is crucial. Regularly revisit previously learned material to prevent the natural process of forgetting. Actively test yourself with practice questions and quizzes. This not only assesses your knowledge, but also strengthens memory recall. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, as well as other great deals. Consistent effort will lead to lasting anatomical knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.